Is your Infiniti Q50 display going black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? The good news is that 80% of these issues are just minor software glitches. Let us walk through the most effective ways to reset your system safely. Start by holding the volume knob to force a reboot, then swap your cable for a genuine Apple cord. Often, the culprit is simply an outdated iOS version or a corrupted profile in the car's head unit. If that fails, consider a factory reset of the InTouch system or checking for official firmware updates. Try these DIY steps first before paying for a dealer diagnostic, as hardware failure is actually quite rare. As you can see, the data suggests your cable is the most likely failure point for connectivity. Clear your phone cache and inspect the physical USB port before you decide to visit a professional. Keep a certified cable and compressed air in your glove box to resolve quick connectivity drops. Remember, never force a cable into the port, as you could cause permanent damage to the pins. If these steps fixed your black screen, let us know in the comments below.